Hey explorers, welcome to the Terranaut. Are you ready to say goodbye to your wallet? Amazon One is a new contactless payment technology that lets you pay with your palm. It's already being used at hundreds of Whole Foods locations, and it's coming to more stores soon. In this video, I'll show you how Amazon One works and why it could be the future of payments. Amazon One is a contactless payment technology that uses your palm print to identify you. It's a free service that you can sign up for at any Amazon One location. To use Amazon One, simply hover your palm over the scanner at the checkout counter. The scanner will read your palm print and charge your payment card on file. Amazon One is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we pay for things. It's more convenient than using a credit card or cash, and it's also more hygienic. Plus, it's a more secure way to pay, as your palm print is unique to you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Terranaut for more videos about technology and innovation.